Hi everyone. I was recently asked the question on how to put a logo at the top of a Nintex form. So if you've got a single page form like this, it's pretty simple. Just grab a image control and put it on the top of your form or wherever you want to put the logo. Find a publicly hosted version of your logo and go to the image control and paste it into the source URL. Now, the reason why I say a publicly hosted version of your form is because we don't store images in the Workflow Cloud platform, so you will need to host the image somewhere publicly accessible. So you've got your image, you paste it in the source URL, and if you click away, you'll see the image appear. Now, there's two things you can do here. You can either shrink it to make it a little bit smaller, or you can also shrink the width of it as well within the size of that control. So this controls this width here. If I reduce it to 50%, you'll see it's half the size of that that column there. So then I can put that in the center, and it's nice and small and fits in there perfectly. So if we come to preview, now we've got the logo at the top. Now, if you're using a multi-page form, now I did wonder if this is where the question has come from. How do you put a logo at the top of a multi-page form? Now that's a slightly different thing. So if we were to say configure pages and add a second page, you will notice we've got this option for header text. So I can say Cephalo Realty, and it will appear at the top, but there's no way to put the logo at the top. There's no way to put controls at the top. I can't put a image control at the top because this is really a protected area that only allows that rich text control. So we would like to have the support of images in this rich text editor, which we are considering at the moment, and it may come in a future release. But right now, anything that looks like this control in here doesn't support images. So the same for this areas here won't support images. So if you are trying to put an image icon logo at the top of a multi-page form, unfortunately that's not supported. So I'd say remove your title at the top of the multi-page form and just duplicate the control and drag it down to your second page and put it at the top there, and then just reduce that down to, let's copy this as well and put that down to page 2, and we can expand this, and then they both kind of look the same. So page 1 and hello world, press next, and kind of looks the same now. So that's the best I can offer around a logo at the top of a multi-page form. However, if it's a single page like this, if we remove the second page, that's how you can add a logo at the top. Hope you find that useful. Let me know in the comments. Cheers.